Right, okay, Breanna. Right, what colours are you going to use in your one?
I'm using these colours.
Right, which are Artesa Pearl Pastel Green, Artesa Pearl Amethyst Purple. We have a mixture of 20 grams Velvet Purple and 20 grams Silk Purple. And these are the colours that Breanna wants to use along with White Cell Activator. So, what you want to do is if you want to do a pour like that, you need to make a puddle in the middle.
Puddle in the middle?
A puddle in the middle. Right, go for it. Make a puddle in the middle.
This is scary.
There you go.
Tell me when to stop.
Right, be a bit more controlled. Right, there you go. Has your maybe get a bit more puddle. That'll do.
Okay. That's so scary.
Right.
What if it overflows around the edges?
It won't. Right, what colour do you want to go first?
Is the first one like what you put on like the most?
Well, it's really up to you. What
That
you
one.
know, you want to go
It's my
mint.
favourite.
Right, give it a good shake.
Look at the chair.
Right, get in a bit.
Scary.
This is Breanna's first shot at an acrylic pour.
If you can't tell. Is that good?
Yeah. Give it a good shake.
I'm shaking it.
Right, and just right,
Yeah.
take the wee lid off. What should I bash your paint in?
This is a task itself.
Struggle to get them off
Right,
too.
there you go.
Right, now do whatever you like. Just go with the flow, as they say.
Can I like
Are
put
you,
it on the
no, in your
canvas?
puddle.
In my puddle, right?
No, in your puddle.
I'm putting it in my puddle. Oh,
Hey, you just do what you want. This is yours.
oh wow, look at how abstract that is.
Is that enough?
Yeah,
You can put more on.
I can.
You can keep going and add different colours and then go back to that one. You can do that if you want.
Or add a big line. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing.
Right, what colour next?
This one.
Oh, look at the minty colour in that. It's beautiful.
I really like
Did you
it.
give it a good shake first?
No.
Just put your finger on the top then. And shake it.
That's scary.
Right, and you can tell everyone what colour that is.
That's velvet purple.
And what else?
Silk purple.
Yep, go for it.
Why is it like becoming balls, man?
Because you know. Yeah, you
Right.
weren't forceful enough.
It's fine. I'll fix it
You
when
weren't squirting it enough.
I'll fix it when I'm doing that other thing. Yeah.
Alright, do you?
Yeah.
Right, do you want to go back to green or you want to add purple?
Purple.
Right, get a good shake.
I love this shade of purple. It's so pretty.
And that is
Amethyst purple.
Pearl Amethyst. And you gotta get the lid off.
I'm just scared in case it goes everywhere.
I struggle to get the lid off too. Oh, that's
Scary.
nice.
I only want to do a little bit of the dark.
Right, now, do you want to go back to green again?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Give it a wee shake.
The shaking it's the scariest part, and then opening the
Look at
lid.
the lovely mintiness of that green. It's
I
beautiful.
love the green. It's so pretty.
So as I say, this is Breanna's first attempt at a pour. She's not even watched a YouTube video. I mean, come on.
I don't like watching YouTube videos of that.
Well, you just making one, so.
I know, it looks so much bluer on camera, but I swear it's like a nice purple.
See, she's even getting the...
Trust me, I've made many YouTube videos in my days.
Alright,
Yeah, now
So-
I do a tiny bit more of the dark, and then I'll
alright. You do whatever,
Done.
it's your piece. So that only took 4 minutes.
be... Yeah.
Cool. Right, is that
Cool.
you?
Yep.
Right, so what you want to do is flood it with a little bit of pouring medium round the edges. I'll just do that for you.
Yeah, because that's scary.
Because you want it to move. Alright? Right, now is the fun part.
Is this where I take the straw?
You can straw it, you can blow it. Well, you want to do cell activator first, don't you?
Yeah. Because
So.
I want it to be like all silly.
Oh,
I don't know how
she
you...
wants it to be all celly, everybody. Celly.
Well,
Did you hear that?
would-
That is a good...
What would you say if
She
you
wants
wanted
it to be
silly?
all celly.
Love it silly.
Right, do you want to put it on?
Do you want to put it on?
Do you want me to put it on? Right,
Yeah.
okay. So we're looking for some good cells.
Yeah, put it on the purple.
So we'll just daub it round. That's a good Scottish word for all you people out there.
All you people out there.
That's even worse, eh?
These gloves make my hands so...
Right, so that's your cell activator. We'll give it a
Sweet.
few wee seconds.
1, 2, 3.
Right,
Done.
are you ready?
Yeah.
Right, you ready to see if there's any cells at the moment?
Oh, that's scary.
Bunsen burner. Look at nothing at the moment.
Get that away. That's a blue flame.
Oh! Wow. That was close. Right.
That was the most scary
Blow.
thing I've ever...
And
Blow.
you can turn it. Start from the middle and work your way out. Okay. You can go different directions.
Why is it not going around the edges?
Because you've no blown that way yet. Right, do you want to move it? Do you want me to turn it?
Yeah.
Right, we've got some cells there, banana. This is a new
There's
technique, by the way. I've never seen this technique getting used. Anyway.
There's no green. Where's my green going?
Get further in. Yeah. You'll not get your face in it, don't worry. You're just going to see what you look like.
I don't care, I'm gonna get all over.
Right, just keep forcing it up. Just move with it if you want to get it to go over the edges. Just move with it. And if you want to move, that's it. You're getting it. Turn it.
I want this bit to go out
You
the
want
way
that bit. So what you have to do
and put it that way.
is go
Yeah.
this way. That's it. These are nice colours, Breanna. Do you want it to turn? Do you want it turned right now, or are you still... Well, don't worry about putting paint on the edges,
Oh, okay.
because I can always add more. Just worry about your composition of your picture. You happy? You want it turned?
Yeah.
You can drag it from the middle if you want.
Oh.
The more you blow, the more you'll bring the underneath. Do you want it turned? Oh, she's concentrating, guys.
You can tell when I'm concentrating because I just go pure silent.
Right, we can add some more water, no water, pouring medium to this so we can help it.
Are you not able to add more of the cell activator once you've done it?
Yeah, you can do whatever. Do you want to add more?
Yeah.
Where do you want
Are
it?
you also able to add more of the colours?
Yep.
Cool, because I need more of this green.
You can do whatever you like. Where do you want the cell activator, or you want to do the green first?
Green.
Green is lovely. That
I
is
love
really
the green.
nice. check her out, getting the old wiggle waggle zone.
The wiggle waggle straight there.
Right, what else do you know? You want the light purple?
No.
Just the green. Right, where do you want the cell activator so we can get...
Like round here and like round here. And then round here. Cool.
Right, give it a wee second.
Giving it a wee second. It looks like it's just like a paint splat. No, wait.
Listen, there's method to paint splats.
Listen,
It
it's
doesn't
my
just-
abstract art.
I love abstract art.
Can I blow the...
You could
Blow
do
the
whatever,
blow?
yep. I would go directly down on it with your straw.
Like that?
Stand up and go directly down. Watch your taupe. That's it, get the movement. You need to move your painting, move your straw with you, whatever way you want to go. You do. You don't
Wait,
have
I need to add something over it. Can I add something over
Yeah,
it?
go for it. You can do it whatever you like, how many times you want, add more. You can make it come up further, blow it out. That's it.
I like the wee lines.
I like the wee lines. Right, so what way you want it to turn?
I need to do this bit.
You need to do that. Right, do you want to see if there's any cells at the moment? No, you're quite happy. You look at her, she's getting trigger happy with the green.
I love the game.
You can make it go whatever way you want it to. You want it turned?
Yeah.
What way? This way?
Yeah. Should I add more purple? Like the dark purple, because the dark purple is really nice in some places.
Well, look at the composition and the colour and where you would maybe want that.
I would want it like...
And you can also drag it. You can use a wee
Right.
and drag
right,
it.
Cool.
Do you want me to show you what... You're going to end up without your sleeve in it.
I just want a wee blob. Can you spin it again so that I can push it out that way? Thank you.
Oh. Shoved it down your throat.
Right, and how do I drag it?
Right, depending on what you want to do, right, just say, right, we'll go with, see this bit here. So you can either take it from somewhere or just from there and you can drag it, right, which does a line, or you can do this where you put the white in and it makes a different kind of shape.
Right, see one time you should try doing like a love heart in the middle and then drag it in it so it's like it's on fire, if you get what I mean.
Okay.
You should just try
This
it.
looks a bit bare here. Are you quite happy
that's
with the
what-
negative?
No, I'm gonna
You're
fill
going
it in.
to
I'm
mess
gonna
about
fill
that,
it
right, okay. Don't be scared to
in. Oops. I'll add
do
some of the
whatever.
purple in there. I like that bit.
See the cells in that as well.
That's probably why I like it. It's fine.
It's fine. Watch your sleeve, honey.
Fine.
You're going to end up duking it in.
Duking it.
Now, do you want it pulled so you can pull it that way, or are you quite happy doing it that way?
I want to pull it that like
Right, so
that,
you want
like
it
that way.
like that way, like
You know what I mean, you know what I mean.
like that way.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, there we go. Oh, got paint on my taupe. I'm going to have to start wearing an overall. Now that maybe needs a bit more pouring medium at the edge. Oops. Wait a minute, Breanna. Wait a minute till I do this.
Why? I like the colours.
And that gives it a bit more movement.
Cool.
Let me just do some of it here. Sorry. And that helps to drag the picture down. You know what I'm saying?
I know what you're saying. That needs a little bit more green up
You
there.
want to put some cell sets, the cell activator on it?
Yeah.
Right, well let me do, what do you mean?
Sorry, I had to pull that down a bit.
You want it there?
Yeah. This looks weird on camera.
I know, well we'll get a proper look once it's done.
I had to fill in those bits.
Right, what do you want to fill them in with?
Green and purple.
Green, purple and some cell activator, yeah?
Yeah. What happens if you put the cell activator down first?
Don't know, never done it.
You should.
Right, I thought you want some of this.
Put that there.
The cell activator on top of the paint gets your cells, so if you're wanting cells on these, you have to put cell activator on it. Right, and if you want the paint, the picture turned, that's it. Just look at your composition, how it's all connecting.
I want like a tiny dot up there of green.
And then you can drag it if you want.
That's what I'm doing. I'm scared in case the video goes out because you've not got enough storage. I just wanted the tiniest bit of green up there because it would have looked weird. Is that where you put the...
Yep. Right, do you want to torch it and see how that comes out with anything?
Yeah. Sorry, I was just...
See, it's sometimes nice to have some negative space.
Yeah.
Right, you ready for a torching?
I'm ready.
Right, watch it. Watch the magic.
So scary.
Keep doing it if you want. You can move it, you can tilt
I
it.
love, love, love that bit.
That's the cells getting
So
activated.
pretty.
You can move it if you want, you can tilt it.